Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ng energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Let's see. Target. Hoy. The letter. Uy, parang this person is isang type na lang or ise-send na lang yung message pero parang nag-aalangan, parang typing and then deleting, ganon. Gusto niya nang i-send pero dinidelete niya ulit. We have the mirror, parang parehas kayo, no? Mirroring. We have the closed book, kasi parang nahihiya nang makipag-usap kasi parang feeling niya sarado na yung kabanata ng buhay niyo. Pero ito nararamdaman niyo pa rin na kayong dalawa is parang may something na hawak niyo parehas ang susi sa puso ng isa't isa. Diamond and the snake. Oh, the snake card, bottom card. So, maaaring nagkaroon ng third party, kaya nagkaroon ng separation kayo nitong taong ito o no contact situation. Kaya parang nahihiya siya na lumapit sa'yo, makipag-usap ulit sa'yo. Kasi hindi niya alam kung papaano sisimulan itong mga sasabihin niya. Kaya yung mga messages, letter na gusto niyang isend sa'yo, hindi niya ma-send. Tingnan natin. Very intimidating ka daw Ayan with this Queen of Swords. Napaka-intimidating. Baka inisip niya kasi pagtawanan mo lang siya, ganon. Kaya yung nag-aalangan siya. We have the Hermit. Nine of Wands. So, this person is, guarded and wounded. Four of Cups. Kasi inisip niya, baka i-reject mo lang siya. The Eight of Swords. Pero hindi siya talaga makamove on sa'yo Hindi kanya makalimutan. Three of Swords. So, hanggang ngayon, nasasaktan pa rin kayo parehas sa mga nangyari. And Ten of Wands. So, ang bigat ng feeling. Hindi niya kayang i-express tong feelings na to. Ito nararamdaman niya. Pilit niya lang yan tinatago. So, may mga energies tayo dito ng strong, Libra, Virgo, Sagittarius. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Oops. And nahulog tong card natin. Peace by Archangel Chamuel. Peace comes from remembering that only love is real. So, maring real itong connection yung dalawa Pero parang nagtitiisan kayo. It's more on true love, pero tinitiis nyo ang isa't isa. Tingnan natin, tarot messages, oracle cards. Can you forgive me? Asking for your forgiveness, pero yung sa undecided. This is not over yet. Kahit sabihin natin, sarado na ito, sinarado nyo na parehas, nagkasundo na kayong isarado, itong kabanata ninyo, pero this is not over yet. Guarded and wounded. Sorry, I'm wasted. I want commitment, my intuition choose you, and you're the fairest of them all. Another Libra thing. Ayan, I want to surprise you. Wow! So, may surprise na gusto niyang sabihin. Maring itong confession, surprise, magugulat ka na lang. So, tingnan natin. I know that I crossed the line with you. I love you. So, daming nahulog dito. Balik natin. I left you before you could leave me. I don't react when people mention you. Tingnan mo. I'm afraid to contact you. I want to be more than friends. I hope that you can forgive me one day. And I replay our conversations over and over. So, binabasa na lang niya lagi yung mga conversations niyo noon. I lost myself for a little while. Lalo na kapag namimiss ka niya, binabasa niya yung mga messages niyo dati. Hindi niya yun binura. Kung binura man niya ito, may backup siya or screenshot na nakasave sa email. Ayan. sinave niya yon para kahit burahin man niya yung mga messages na yun, may backup siya, makikita niya pa rin yun, mababasa niya pa rin yun kahit kailan niya gusto. So, tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng initials. E, T, C, I, V, O, letter D, Q, S, M, J, A. Bottom card yun eh. Nilagay ko na. So, ayan. Mga initials natin. Tingnan natin sa blue card. We have here guilty. Ayan, guilty sa mga nangyari. All strings attached. And last card. Uy, celebration. So, maaring celebration going on. May mangyayaring celebration. Maaring sa Christmas or birthday celebration. Or isa-celebrate nyo itong parang muling pag-uusap, conversation, or reconnection, ganyan. So, tingnan natin, general signs and messages tayo. Or itong pagbabati yung dalawa, magbabati na kayo, reconciliation, ganyan. Tingnan natin, general signs, messages natin. Cancer sign, overthinker, Gemini, very loyal, coins, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, runner, and caring, February, Pisces, beautiful, sexy body, full of charisma, sarcastic, December, divine feminine, November, future lover, funny, present lover, dimple, number 1, 9, flower farm, September, Mindanao, killer smile, flirtatious, March, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, good heart, and soon. Ayan, soon. Talaga isa-celebrate ninyo itong mga magiging, kumbaga, continuation nitong naudlot ninyong connection. Kasi hindi pa tapos eh. This is not over yet. Ayan o. This is not over yet. Ayan. So, ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.